Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. An important question of law involved in the present petition is as to whether a suit filed for maintenance under Section 18/20 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1960 without affixing the court fee can be entertained as a petition. Stop para. The facts in brief are that the respondent filed a civil suit claiming maintenance from the petitioner at the rate of rupees 6,000 per month. Stop. The suit so filed was accompanied with the court fee of rupees 12.50. Stop. An objection was taken by the petitioner defendant before the court below that the suit filed by the respondent plaintiff has not been valued in terms of Section 7(2) of the Court Fees Act 1977. Stop. The said section for facility of reference is being reproduced below: 7(2) for maintenance and annuities in suits for maintenance and annuities or other sums payable periodically according to the value of the subject matter of the suit, and such value shall be deemed to be 10 times the amount claimed to be payable for 1 year. Stop para. On the basis of the aforequoted provision, it was pleaded by the petitioner that as the amount of maintenance claimed by the respondent is rupees 6,000 per month, and the same comes to rupees 72,000 for 1 year. Therefore, the suit has to be valued 10 times the said amount so claimed, that is rupees 7,20,000. Stop. After taking into consideration the pleas put forth by the parties, the court below observed as under: para. So far as the provisions of the Act are concerned, these expressly exclude the application of general law, and adoption and maintenance has to be governed by the Adoption and Maintenance Act 1960 itself. Stop. The Act is a beneficial legislation and it serves social purpose as under the Act. Under Section 18/20, maintenance can be claimed from the parents or husband without statutory limit of rupees 2,000 provided under Section 488 CRPC. Stop. Thus, where the respondent's income is in lakhs, the petitioner cannot be allowed to starve by providing him maintenance, restricting the remedy under Section 488 CRPC only. Stop. Para. It is not out of place to mention here that deserted wife and children belonging to affluent and rich parents are deserted by the wealthy husband or father who preferred to live luxurious life by spending upon themselves and yet depriving their children and wives from living their comfortable life. Stop. It is for this reason that Section 18/20 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act shall come to their rescue. Stop. The applicability of Code of Civil Procedure will be for enabling purpose, and the matters shall be governed by the provisions of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act itself. Stop. The claim under the Act is therefore proceeding and not a suit, as it will be observed to say that places where the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act is applicable, the genuine claimants shall be deprived of the remedy by ordering them to bring a suit, pay court fee under general law, and claim maintenance under the special law of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Stop. Para. The aspect and object of establishing family courts is to do away with the technicalities and traditional necessities of litigation. Stop. The claim under Section 18/20 shall therefore be governed by the provisions of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, which shall be treated as proceeding under the Act at par with proceedings under Family Court, where the Family Court Act is applicable. Stop.